Hello and welcome to my Camtasia video about how to install and record a video using Camtasia. Okay, cool. So the first thing you need to do is you need to get onto the Swinburne wiki page. Okay, so hit refresh there. Eventually it will log in. Okay, then hit login. Okay, so for home use, this is all in the teacher's notes, by the way. Scroll down to Camtasia, okay, and then select whichever one you want to select. Okay, and when you have selected which one you want to select, make sure you install it and hit run. Okay, I'm not going to do that for this video because I've already installed it on my computer and I'm using Camtasia now, so it's unnecessary. Cool. Then, once you've done that, simply hit record. Okay, as you can see, I'm recording now. And then when you've hit finish, or sorry, when your video has finished, simply press stop. And that's how you do that part of a video recording on Camtasia.